Hi students, fifth exercise, fourth question. Construct triangle PQR in which QR equal to 5.5 centimeters, QP equal to 5.5 centimeters and angle Q equal to 60 degrees. Measure RP. What kind of a triangle is this? First, draw a line segment QR equal to 5.5 centimeters. 5.5. 5.5 QR 5.5 centimeters and angle Q equal to 60 degrees. Angle Q equal to 60 degrees. Here angle Q 60 degrees. So when we are using left side protractor, see that down readings, otherwise 90 below that 60 degrees means down of the angle 60 degrees. This is 60 degrees. Next, QRP, QP 5.5 centimeters. So here take 5.5 centimeters, QP. So 5.5 centimeters. This is 5.5 centimeters. With the Q as center, 5.5 centimeters as radius, draw an arc. This keep arrow symbol. This intersect point is P. Now join RP. Join RP. Here 5.5 centimeters. 5.5 centimeters. Now steps of constructions. First point, draw a line segment. Draw a line segment QR equal to 5.5 centimeters. Next point, draw angle Q equal to 60 degrees. Next, with Q as center, 5.5 centimeters as radius, draw an arc. Next, they intersect at P. Or they meet at P. Now join RP or PR. Join PR. Next, finally, this is the required. So which type of triangle is this? So equilateral triangle. Why? Because here one of the angle, here see the diagram, one of the angle is 60 degrees. Remaining two sides equal here. 5.5 centimeters, 5.5 centimeters. In two sides are equal, then opposite angles also equal. Otherwise, two angles are equal, that opposite sides also equal. Nothing but here 60 degrees. Remaining two sides also 60 degrees. This is equilateral triangle. So this is the required equilateral triangle. So what they given? Triangle PQR. Equilateral triangle PQR. Here fifth question, construct a triangles given measurements. They given triangle ABC, PQR, XYZ, ABC, MNP, triangle RKS, triangle PTR. Measurements they given. Just I show that rough diagram. See children here. First one, triangle ABC. Just I show that rough diagram. Draw that real construction. Triangle ABC first one. This one BC, CA, AB they given. First write BC. Take 6.5 centimeters. And next with B as center, draw an arc 4.8 centimeters. Means this is one of the arc. Next to C, from C to 6.3. So that two intersect and join here this one. So just this is simply rough diagram. You know how to construct before all completed like that problems. This is A, from here to 4.8 centimeters. From here to 6.3 centimeters. You know how to write steps also. Draw a line segment BC equal to 6.5 centimeters. Next with B as center 4.8 centimeters as radius, draw an arc. With C as center 6.3 centimeters as radius, draw an arc. Another arc. They meet at A. So join BA and CA. This is the required triangle ABC. Second triangle PQR. The given measurements, according to measurements, just either draw that simple rough diagram. Just to take that line segment. This is PQ. PQ line segment 8 centimeters take. Here with Q, angle Q 85 degrees take. After here Q as center 7.5 centimeters as radius, just to draw that arc. Now join. This is simply rough diagram. This 85 degrees 8 centimeters. This R. PQ 8 centimeters. Draw angle Q 85 degrees. With Q as center 7.5 centimeters as radius, draw an arc. They meet at R. Join PR. This is the required triangle PQR. Here third question, triangle XYZ, observe XY 6.2 centimeters, angle Y 130, angle Z 70 degrees. Here sum of two angles is equal to 200. Here observe 130, 70, we'll get 200. We know that already sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. But here these two sum only we get 200. We cannot construct this triangle. See this answer? Answer, not possible to construct as sum of angle Y, angle Z. Sum 130 plus 70 equal to 200. So we know that sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. But here get 200. Not possible to construct. Next triangle ABC. AB 4.8 centimeters, AC 4.8 centimeters, angle B 35 degrees. Rough diagram. Triangle ABC. This one AB 4.8 centimeters. AB, this is C. Here angle B 35 degrees. Here 4.8 centimeters. A as center, draw that arc 4.8 centimeters. With the A2, draw this. This is rough diagram. Next, triangle MNP. Here, draw that line segment first 7.3 centimeters, 7.3, just 7.3 centimeters take. M, N, here 7.3, here 90 degrees, angle N 90 degrees take. After with the M as center 11.4, draw an arc, 11.4, here to 11.4 centimeters. This is P, keep here arrow symbol. This is 90 degrees. Understand children here? Just a rough diagram. Actual measure take here 7.3 centimeters. After draw an angle N equal to 90 degrees. With the M as center 11.4 centimeters as radius, draw an arc. That point is P. Join MP. This is the required triangle MNP. Next RKS. RK equal to KS equal to SR equal to 6.6 centimeters. Means all sides are equal. Here draw that RK 6.6 centimeters. Next with the R to 6.6 centimeters an arc. Here to 6.6. So this is equilateral triangle. Why? Because all sides are equal. RKS. Here to 6.6 centimeters. Again with K as center 6.6 centimeters. Triangle RKS. RKS. Just to see that the steps of constructions. Draw a line segment RK equal to 6.6 centimeters. Next point. With R as center, 6.6 centimeters as radius, draw an arc. Next point. Draw angle K. Means draw with K as center, 6.6 centimeters as radius, draw an another arc. They meet at S. Join RS, KS. This is the required equilateral triangle RKS. Triangle PTR. Angle P equal to 65. PT equal to PR equal to 5.7 centimeters. Triangle PTR. So first one PT. Take PT or PR, take anyone. PR 5.7 centimeters. And angle P they given 65 degrees. Use protractor and draw that 65 degrees. After with P as center, PT 5.7 with P as center, draw an arc. P as center, draw an arc 5.7 centimeters. So that point is T. Just to simply this is rough diagrams. Actual measure use and construct these triangles. Here 65 degrees. Now see this is steps of construction. So how to steps like that draw that construction. Draw a line segment PR equal to 5.7 centimeters. Draw angle P equal to 65 degrees. Next, with P as center, 5.7 centimeters as radius, draw an arc. That point is T. That point is T. Now join RT. Join RT. This is the required triangle PTR. Now this ninth chapter construction of triangles completed. I hope you understand how to construct a triangles, and please subscribe my channel and get more updates. Next class we will discuss 10th chapter algebraic expressions.